Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to get to the planetarium so you can get roast broccoli and shrink broccoli, as well as a crystal thing. What is my... Get back into spot! What the freak? Like, what? What is my arm doing? Okay, other than that, let's grab... what you need is, flashlight. I'm gonna bring a revolver. That way I can kill anything I want. And the beam, because I can't. And you know I got that moolah. Hey. Stash check. These are some rare items, I guess. I don't know if that's good. Can you all comment down below and tell me if that's good? Got all of those. Let's go. What you're gonna do is you're gonna jump all the way down. You're gonna go down the only hole you can. Go. Straight past it. Turn to get killed by the monsters that are here. Over. You see this rock? Climb it. Go. I'm gonna break this. Then what you're gonna do? Do I not have my flashlight in? What you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here. You're gonna climb this. Climb this. Come here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get right here.